Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Ranger tail light, updated. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. Open the tailgate, remove the access panel or trim, and inspect the bulb sockets and retaining screws. Keep a small tray for fasteners and wear gloves to protect bulbs and skin from sharp edges during the process. Gather tools next: a 10 mm socket or wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a small magnetic tray or container for bolts and clips. Disconnecting the negative battery terminal first reduces risk when handling connectors. Work with gloves to protect fingers and keep bulbs clean. Lay a towel in the tailgate area to prevent scratches and catch any falling hardware. Keep replacement bulbs or sockets handy if you plan to swap parts during removal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and see more updates. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which makes tidying up after a messy part swap easier and faster. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and effort. Then now let's get back to the video. Start removal by loosening the mounting bolts at the inner and outer tail light points. Then gently pull the assembly outward while supporting it with one hand. Press the wiring harness locking tab and pull straight to disconnect without twisting. If bulbs are stuck, twist counterclockwise or use gloves to grip them. Inspect seals and clips, replace any damaged parts, and reverse steps for reinstallation, ensuring bolts are snug but not over-tightened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.